There's no excuses to grow your email list in 2024 because my friends at Convertkit are allowing you to grow your email list for free. Yes, for free. You can get up to 10,000 subscribers on your email list. So let's get into today's content all about this new feature that ConvertKit has. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. And on this channel, I talk about multiple ways that you can make passive streams of income in digital publishing. I love talking about making money, not even just making money. I love publishing, writing books. It's just so many ways that we can use our creative geniuses, and I love it. Okay, so if you love this type of content, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. So you know me. Let's go ahead and get into today's content. I was logging in my ConvertKit account and I saw this up here. It said new offer, grow your list to 10,000 subscribers for free. So y'all know I'm nosy. I had to click on it to see what they're talking about, right? So listen, ConvertKit now allows you to get up to 10,000 subscribers for free. But let me tell you how you get in, okay? Let me tell you. This is the newsletter plan. So if you have been living under a rock, newsletters is where it's at. Okay. Now there are many different type of newsletters. I've seen minimalist newsletters. That's what I have. That's my emails are Monday through Friday. They are short and sweet to the point. I share three quick valuable resources. I also share maybe something that I may be having on sale, and that's it. Monday through Friday, I'm sending that valuable content. My valuable content can be my YouTube videos, not just my YouTube videos, but I also share other YouTube videos. I also send Medium articles. I also send tools and resources that you can use as well. So I make it really, really valuable. So that's the minimalist way, right? But then you have your long form newsletters that Dan Cole sends every single week. So every week he sent a newsletter. I can't remember the day. It may be Thursdays. I'm not sure of the days, but I do know his business model is simple and sweet. He records a YouTube video. He transcribed that into a blog, and then excuse me, and then the blog turns into a newsletter. I think that's how he has it in that order. But that's a newsletter he sent his once a week. But they are very much interactive. So when you are having someone to subscribe to your newsletter, this is not something that you want to have. It's not the old way of doing things. Y'all remember the newsletters? They were nice little newsletter templates they send out. They show you the different things that's going on. Now, I think those are still relevant for companies. So, like if you're sending a company newsletter, I think that's still relevant. But now, if you really want to grow your email list and you have a newsletter that's very niched, you have a newsletter that you're giving value, you're definitely going to win and you want to get into this newsletter plan. So if you don't have a email list in 2024, in the year of our Lord 2024, what are you doing, honey? Okay, you need an email list. Let me tell you what you get. $0 a month, up to 10,000 subscribers. You get unlimited landing pages, unlimited outline, opt-in forms, unlimited email broadcasts. So you can send as many emails as you want. You only get one email sequence though. Okay, so that means that's how you can connect, the landing page to the opt-in, and well, you do all of that. You get one basic visual automation. So this is for a newsletter. So if you want to start your newsletter, like it's everything that you need. You just need this one thing. Okay. You have your audience tagging and segmenting. You have selling digital products and subscriptions. Did you know that you can sell your digital products in ConvertKit? Yes. Free recommendations. So let's just say someone subscribes to your newsletter. You can recommend other newsletters as well, and you can get that popping. Okay, listen, this is chef's kiss. This is amazing. Smart recommendations. You got your newsletter feed and website in 24-hour support. Okay. So you get to monetize your newsletter for free. You get premium tools you need for free to grow your newsletter, get you 10,000 subscribers, monetize your list, and make income. You get to build a network as well. You can join the network of thousands of creators. I am a part of this network. I absolutely love it. Being a part of the Convertkit network does help me to grow my email list because people will recommend my newsletter. I recommend their newsletter. It's just a win-win. You get the systems that save you time. You can set up a series of automated emails that welcome your newsletter subscribers, and then you can share your best content. Okay. So, I mean, you cannot get no better than this, like no better than this when it comes to setting up your newsletter. Okay. You can't get no better than this. If you really, really want to do this and you're really serious about this, right below inside of the description, I'm going to also have a 5-day newsletter setup. So every single day for 5 days, one of my biz besties will show you, Jamie. He has this where he shows you how to set this up, how you want to set up your minimalist newsletter. So if you want to build an email list with a short email every single day. You can do yours every day, or you could do yours Monday through Friday, like me. I think it's a few of us that we do Monday through Friday. There's some that do it every single day, but they're short and sweet to the point. Okay, so if you want to learn how to grow your email list that way, I'm going to put that link in the description as well as ConvertKit's link as well. Okay, so I had to come and do this video to give you guys no excuse to grow your email list. And I know one of your questions is going to be, well, Sharlrita, like, okay, after I set this up, how do I promote it? There's several ways that you can do this. I promote mine via YouTube, which I'm going to go ahead and tag and go ahead and put in a plug. I do have a minimalist newsletter called Elevate Your Digital Publishing Business Daily. That's where I share 3 quick and valuable resources you want to elevate your digital publishing business. I'm sharing with you newsletters. They're quick and simple to the point, but they all go together. Okay, so they all make sense. And I share that with you guys on Monday through Friday. I have gotten raving reviews about my newsletter. People love it. Okay, so if that's what you want to do, go ahead and sign up for mine. And that way you can kind of get a peek inside. I don't care if you be nosy. Come on in and be nosy and find out what I'm doing. And that way you can kind of see for yourself how I set up my newsletter. Okay. So go ahead and sign up for that and get your newsletter done. There's so many ways that you can promote. I use YouTube. Okay. I use my Facebook page. I use because I'm not organized, but I like to have things in order. So, once a week during a certain day, I'm always promoting my newsletter. Okay. Sometimes you got to let people see things over and over again, but I leverage social media like no other. Another way that I promote as well, I told you guys that I'm a part of the I want to call it the Creator Academy, but I'm a part of Convertkit Creators Hub. So that's the way that I get subscribers. Another way that I get subscribers as well is by investing in or partnering with other newsletter creators, and then they'll share mine in their newsletter. Okay, so I have some friends that have newsletters, and we share each other's newsletter. They even on Medium as well. I have had a few people to write articles about either my books, or they write articles about something that I share, and they'll share my newsletter in their Medium article as well. So the partnership part is what I'm saying is that's going to be your most effective way, is to get into partnership with other people that have the same type of newsletter to help you to grow. Now, there is a tool as well that you can use if you want to pay. I can't remember the name of that tool. I'm going to put it in the description, but I know I did a video on them, and that's a way you can grow as well if you want to, pay. Sparkloop. Those are my people. Sparkloop. So they have it so that you can pay a monthly fee and you'll get, subscribers. They also have something for free too. Like you can be an affiliate of other people's newsletter and you can share. You can make money using Sparkloop. So it's so many ways that you can do this. And this is my advice. My advice to you is to find your way and stick with it. I am so proud of myself because I have written over 130. I think I sent out 130 newsletters so far. And I believe I started maybe back in, it may have been about November, December I started, and we're at 130 already. Okay. It's probably one of the most consistent things that I am doing these days, besides writing my books and besides uploading my YouTube videos. And those are the things that I'm going to continue to be very much consistent in because I'm going to be honest, those things bring me revenue. They bring me clients, besides my YouTube, my email list. Sending out that newsletter brings me clients and it brings me people in my ecosystem. Okay, so it's a lot. You be consistent. You be consistent at anything. You can definitely make some things shake. Okay, so if you don't have an email list yet, go ahead and get started with ConvertKit. I'm going to link a video I did showing you step by step how you can make these all work together when you sign up for free, and you can get access to that video. Okay, so you guys, 2024, we're going to be in 2025 next week. As fast as 2024 is going by, you need an email list. It does not matter what you do in your business. You need an email list. Okay. You definitely need an email list. And I'm here to help you. Okay. So, you guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. Thank you so very much for being here, a part of my YouTube family. And I look forward to chat with you guys in the next video. Bye now.